Here we go again. Another review here for Mikkuppa, I think is how they pronounce that. I hope I'm not butchering that, but Mikkuppa, Lugnuts. Let's see, surface thickening, whatever the hell that means. Long lasting, high quality steel, professional testing, blah, blah, blah. What else we got here? Made in the PRC. So this is the politically correct way of saying People's Republic of China, or Communist China, the commies. So yeah, basically that's the politically correct and nice and soft, easy way of saying that, commie China. I'm not happy about it, honestly. Really, I didn't know that that's where these were made. I got them on eBay, and I don't. I mean, I just saw the box. I saw the pictures. It looked pretty good. They had a good listing. It wasn't being shipped directly from China, because I always go and select item location, US only, that kind of thing, because I am not trying to buy anything from China directly whenever possible. So again, I was a little duped on this one, but I have them, and what really can I do at this point? I suppose I could return it, but I'm not going to make a big deal out of it, really, this time. I'll just do better research next time. But the other thing also I will be completely transparent here about is that I wasn't even sure if this is what I wanted to do. And when I say that, let's open the box, right? It is an unboxing review here. There you go, open the box. You got the welcome guide, which... yeah, it actually opens up here. Ta-da! All this good stuff. Okay, this is cool. It shows you others that you can buy with part numbers and threads, specifications, etc. I'm doing this with one hand, so I apologize for that. Huh. No, that's cool. I mean, that's good marketing right there, letting you know that they have more. But again, unfortunately, I'm not a fan of it being made in commie China. So, but anyway, this is wrapped up like so, nice and soft. There you go. So, what I meant to say before I rudely interrupted myself is I'm not sure if I wanted to do this, meaning I'm not sure I wanted black. And this is for my car right here. And I got these midnight blue wheels that I'm going to be putting on there. And I'm going to have my chrome trims, stainless pieces on here. And a long time ago, I had actually wanted to take this thing and put the color on. And then everything that was, stainless, chrome, whatever, I was actually going to paint over. And I was going to black out. And I was going to black out just like this. I was going to make it not really glossy, but like a satin black. And I decided not to, because then I realized how many trim pieces I had, and I would have to paint all that shit. And I just didn't really, I got lazy, is the truth. I got lazy, and I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. So, the other thing that stopped me from doing it too, black shows off everything. As far as how dirty it is, how bent it is, ding, anything like that. And I know my stainless pieces that go, my drip rails that go up and over my windows, they're a little, they got some marks in them, dents in them, that kind of thing. And so I know that painting them black, especially satin, especially gloss, would show that off. And so I decided, no. Again, I got lazy. So that was the whole idea behind what I was going to do. But then, okay, so why did I go black if I was going to... because now I'm like thinking, I should have just went chrome, because it would match my chrome bumpers, my stainless and all that. Well, the reason why I didn't go that way is because the center caps, there we go, the center caps and the trim and the ring trims are black. So the midnight blue wheels, and then the factory, you know, center cap here, and the ring. I think, yeah, this pops out. There you go. And the ring is black. So I said, well then, let me go with black lug nuts to match basically the ring and the center cap, right? That's what I said. And I also even bought, which I've already passed those off, I bought the valve stems, and I got those in black as well. But anyway, I'm going to start with these. We'll see what it looks like. If it comes down to it to where I don't... By the way, these are painted, is what they say. Because I did actually take a couple, and I you know, used them to secure my wheels on already. So yes, I did open the box already, kind of. But my point is that these are painted. And the bad thing about painted ones is that they tend to chip, nick, peel, whatever. They tend to show off, you know, the damage way easier. Okay, so you got to be, there we go. You can actually, there, yeah, you can see where I took a Sharpie and I covered up a spot that I nicked just by installing the wheels temporarily on the car to see how they fit. And my point is that the painted ones are the ones that you really got to be careful with. So this is the socket that they send with it, and and I actually dropped it on the ground, but it's a soft kind of paint feel to it, and fits really nice, you know. But you got to be careful, again, not pushing too hard and all that, or you could scratch the paint on these lug nuts. So I guess I got what I paid for, because they were cheap, made in China, number one. Number two, they were cheap in cost, and you know, the paint that they're probably put on is just something that they just, you know, put on, it's sprayed on. Might have it's like a single stage probably, and that's it. I mean, you know, nothing special about it. Now, by the way, I got these, and I didn't know what this was. I have no idea what these are. I haven't even taken this, I don't know, like rubber band off and opened these up. But I have a feeling I know what they are now. I have a feeling that this is thin plastic intended to slip over the top of this, so that when you take this right here and you drop it on, it helps protect you from scratching these, nicking them, etc. Also, and again, I'm making an assumption here, but if you put something too thick in there, it would lock these babies on, and you don't want that. So I'm guessing that that's what this is. I'm guessing. I haven't really read the instructions. That's not instructions. The other one was this one here, the beginner's guide. But I didn't read anything in here. I didn't read anything, actually, but my point is that I don't see... Yep, I don't see anything in here that says anything about the plastic. Yeah, I don't see anything in here about plastic. Now, it's got this, you know, scan thing right here. Maybe that'll tell me something. I don't know. But all I know is that there's this plastic in here, and I'm now starting to think that that's what that's for. Again, I did kind of nick one, and I used a Sharpie to make it black again, and you can kind of see it right there. See? So, but nonetheless, though, the threads, I mean, they look good. They went on 1971 studs. These studs have been on since 1971, because I know they're the factory ones. And they went on, and they were nice and tight. They don't feel loose. They don't feel sloppy. So, you know, the quality of them, yeah, they're pretty good. You know, the paint, it is what it is. Again, I kind of went with it because of this thing kind of led me to that path. Now that I'm looking back, I kind of wish now that I would have just went with chrome, because, again, all my other trim pieces are going to be chrome and stainless. So, maybe I did the wrong thing, but I don't care. But if you're looking to buy black lug nuts, and you're looking Now these are half by 20s, by the way, as far as the thread pitch and the size. These things are, I think, 1.25 tall or something. I don't know. Maybe you can find them in here. Here we go. You can find them in here. So yeah, half by 20. So 35 millimeters long is what they are, and it has a 60-degree taper right there. Is what these are. Okay. And they worked out good, and I know that they're going to work out just fine. I'm just saying that if I had a chance to really think about it and do it over again, I probably would go with chrome. But if you are thinking of these, they're pretty good quality. I like the marketing material in here. I do like the socket here. It allows you to use a 3/4 or a 13/16, whichever one you want. To me, I don't know. It just seems like, I don't know why they don't just like put it like a 3/8 drive right there instead. I mean, just to me, that would be the smarter thing to do, but that's just me. You know, again, these are painted, so you got to be careful. I'm assuming the plastic is to help you keep them from getting scratched, but I don't know that for a fact. But that's what these things are. Mikkuppa, I don't know, Mikkuppa. I have no idea if I'm slaughtering that name or not, but I mean, the packaging is very appealing. They did pack it really well. You know, again, the marketing material and everything is really well thought out. So it's not like it's a dirt frickin' cheap, you know, but it is what it is. And I am telling you that you have to be careful with these because these are painted. So, okay. Now you get the chrome ones and you probably be much better off because they won't be so much susceptible. In fact, here in the marketing material, you can get lug nut covers, meaning you could have gotten colors like chrome, like I kind of wanted or should have done. And then I could put a black cap over it, but then you probably lose black caps, but whatever. And then as you can also see, these are security in a way, because this right here is not your typical, like you can't just use a 3/4 or a 13/16 to get these off. But, you know, you buy one of these right here, you've got this to get this off on anybody else, because they're not going to make these, you know, every single set different. These sets are all the same. They're going to use the same spline, I don't know, count and design. So basically, if I lost this, I could probably call them up and they could probably sell me. I'm pretty sure it's in here somewhere. Yeah, right there. Right there. They could, and now there's several different ones. There's a 6-pline, 7-pline, hectagon spline, spline spike, you know, all kinds of them. So yeah, see, there's not very many of them. So basically, are they security lug nuts? Yeah, they are, but then again, probably not if somebody were to buy. But then, I don't know, maybe it is compared to other companies. I mean, I'm not sure, but again, I'm just showing you what you're going to get when you go to buy this kit. So there it is. Take it or leave it. Enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment, rumble. See ya.